Make a great choice today with the 2019 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard Mini Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, convertible. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.